Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on 3rd Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make a flower vase like this. And without wasting time, let's start it. First step, go to From Plan. Active center line, click this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, make the center line length is 190 mm. Active center line again, click this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point. Active line, click this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, make the center line length is 50 mm. The center line length is 35 mm. And the center line length is 80 mm. Make this line length is 65 mm. And make this center line length is 65 mm. Click the center line and the center line, make distance 50 mm. Click the center line and the center line, make distance 70 mm. Active spline, click from this point, click this point, click this point, this point, and this point. Active trim, cut this line. OK. Go to Surface, active Revolve Surface, click the center line. OK. See? Active Think Hand, click the surface, make tinker parameter 2 mm. OK. See? Vase flower is ready. Now let's change vase color. Go to Appearance, go to Glass, go to Tint Gloss, choose this one, maybe red color. OK, see, vase flower look like transparent. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like it and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.